To kick off our discussion around building AI-powered features, I want to share how we think about AI at Pendo. It's based on a framework called our 4 levels of AI, where each level represents a different amount of human versus AI power, and I think it's especially relevant when thinking about building AI-powered functionality. In the first level, there's no involvement from AI and everything is manual. This was product management before AI ever came about. In the second level, the process is still manual and driven by the human, but AI is there to assist, provide insights, and give recommendations. Amazon's new AI-powered feature that summarizes product reviews is an example of a level 2 feature. The human is buying the product and looking for a recommendation, but instead of sifting through numerous reviews, they can simply read an AI-generated summary. In the third level, AI drives the process, and the human is there to fine-tune, edit, decline, and approve things. The machine is guiding you through the process, but the human is the one eventually making decisions. Netflix onboarding experience is an example of this. An individual creates an account, selects a few examples of the type of content they're interested in, and then AI generates a personalized homepage with relevant TV and movie recommendations. From there, the human selects what to watch. And in the fourth level, there is no human involvement, and the process is fully automated by AI, like a self-driving car. When it comes to developing software, most product managers want to be at level 2 or 3. At most software companies today, the majority of AI features currently in development are at level 2, but I believe that in the coming years, we will see more and more products elevating the experience from level 2 to level 3. As AI enters the business world at full force, a lot of companies are thinking about how they can use this technology to bolster their product and customer experience. While AI and machine learning are extremely powerful and the possibilities are nearly endless, I'd still argue that the product manager is the key to success of AI features. Let's go over 3 reasons why. The first is that moving from level 2 to level 3 is a product question, not a machine learning question. The best way I can explain this is with an example from our product team at Pendo. We set out to build an AI-powered feature that could automatically connect the dots between product usage and business outcomes data. We wanted our users to be able to predict business outcomes from product usage and easily identify the most important in-product behaviors. The original feature we built was at level 2 because AI was assisting by automatically providing key insights about the data. After working with design partners throughout the process, we realized we needed to take this functionality to the next level and actually show users what to do with these insights. The takeaway, though, is that the decision to take our AI-powered feature from level 2 to level 3 was driven by our product managers and UX designers based on customer feedback. For the next iteration, the machine learning behind it stayed more or less the same, but the user experience is elevated, and that's in the hands of the product manager. The second reason the product manager is key to the success of AI features is that great AI does not necessarily equal a great product. Think about it this way. What if the AI is 100% accurate, but it's powering a poor user experience? This still results in a subpar product, no matter how powerful the AI technology is. In the example I just shared, the issue didn't lie in the AI. Rather, we needed to provide better tools and capabilities in order for our users to get the most out of the information AI was providing. And since AI can't really be 100% accurate, there are a few ways to ensure you're still providing the best possible product experience. First, be transparent and explain the AI model's decisions whenever possible. It's also important to allow the user to intervene and fine-tune the model's decision. Finally, leverage feedback loops so the machine can learn from user feedback as you receive it. The third and final reason the product manager is the key to the success of AI features is that in the end, the product manager controls the roadmap. If you're a product manager, you've probably heard these words come out of your mouth. We are at capacity. While innovating is exciting, it can also be a pain point because you already have an established roadmap, and more innovation often means more disruption to these plans. But as the PM, it's your job to make room for innovation. Here are 3 ways I recommend doing this. First, create a balanced roadmap. For example, balancing proof of concepts and delivery work, as well as low and high-risk projects. Second, plan to be surprised and be prepared to change your roadmap. And third, foster an innovation culture and encourage those around you to explore new ideas in AI technology. If you aren't already building AI features in your own product, I hope this lesson has gotten you excited to do so. As you get started, here are some final tips to keep in mind. First, avoid moonshots. It's not easy to go straight to AI level 3, so start with level 2 and focus on finding ways to provide value to your customers, then build from there. It's also important to ensure you have the right people working on AI initiatives. Create working groups with engineers, data scientists, and designers, so there's a dedicated focus on building AI-powered products and features. As I mentioned before, remember to make room for innovation and embrace a culture of experimentation with AI. And when it comes to releasing AI features, leverage feedback, especially in the very early stages, to inform how you'll tweak the algorithm to provide even more value to customers.